Hey everyone, this is me and T, and I'm going to show you on my channel, Dazzle You, what I know about lighting and how to change the colors of lighting with this new remote control. Chi needs some coffee today, so this will be a coffee episode with me and Chi. You can have a cup full of tea. Isn't that great? Alright, so me and Chi are going to be talking today about LED lighting and light bulbs. There's a new remote control that comes with the new EcoSmart bulbs. These are LED. I'm a big fan of CFL. These actually last a little longer and are softer. These come out yellowy. These do not. They're bright, but when these go white, they're really white. They come in colors now. And on the side of the box it says you can transform the colors from yellow, red, green, pink, blue, red, and I think even a nice green and a white. And you can also dim it using a remote control. Now, you can also get colored CFLs, but they do not have a remote control. And I don't know if they're quite as good as the colored LEDs. That could be a question, but I am a bigger fan of CFLs over LEDs. I find stores only with LED lightings and whatnot, but being a fan of both, and the reason is I used to work in hotels, and I know these things are great, and they're easy to tell when they burn out. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to use your light. So if we want to put on a show, you simply project of mine is I'm going to went with a red bulb as well. This is a red LED light bulb, and this is basically what it does. These are really good for reading maps and other things. This is what it will do to a white background. And this is my LED light project using remote control. I'm more of a fan of CFLs versus LEDs. LEDs turn to be softer. But check this out. We can change the colors and brighten it up as we go along. This is one of my red bulb LEDs that I had recently bought, and it does make things more red. Turns into map reading and whatnot. This light can also be dimmed into Hey everyone, this is me and Chi. Alright, this is my friend Chi here. Let's go ahead and check him out moving on the dance floor. Let's go. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. So those are my tips today with the LED lighting with me and Chi. Have a glass of coffee with Chi, huh? Pretty cool. Let's go.